nightingale and not a lark, you sing. In the midnight hour, when the rubble scatters, starry rubble litters the Urals Dipper. But keep listening, and there's trills and twitters. But keep listening, and there's trills and twitters. Trills and twitters through a thin slot, a gap. Point of passage, rust-coated postal olden. Box of oxygen thriving by thirsty grasp. Pines bolt down into life there from root through. Pines bolt down into life there from root through. Groan. Until the hatchet has notched the lark, past the noontime light, levers word lengths open, cast not darkness shadowing, creates its own. Sunlit twitters choral in singing solo. Sunlit twitters choral in singing solo. But as for me, a man who has gone outside, bordered places to pages where things are simpler, who returns to seek snow, wine, and finches flight. I find either axe blocks or heaps of cinders. I find either axe blocks or heaps of cinders.